What's up, guys? We're in the shop again on this villain. So today we'll be installing these Team MSC extended flares for the villain. We have a race coming up, short course race. I'm gonna try them out. If I don't like them, it'll just take about 15 to 20 minutes to take them off. The rear ones, I know I like to save the dirt that this machine kicks this way. It'll keep it knocked down and they look good, give you that full body protection. So that's the front flare. This is the rear. You will need a 5mm Allen key, which I highly recommend getting you a set of Allen sockets. As always, with the Team MSC Trail Armor stuff, great directions, fully in color, and easy to follow along. So you should not be misled. So it comes with the flares, and it comes with a bag of push pins. All right, so you will have to drill some 5/16 holes. All right, so we're going to start on the driver's side here. You'll need a 5/16 drill bit, and you will take your fender, and right here where you can obviously see it was pre-bent, you'll just give it a little bend from it being packaged for shipping. So give it a little bend, get it back into shape. Now we got a shape. Bend her some more. Alrighty. So we will remove these two 5mm bolts, and then we'll put them back in and get this fender where we want it, and then we'll drill our holes and push our push pins in. So you'll put these two bolts back in. We're fixing to do that. Get it where you want it, and line up this corner right here where it kind of kicks behind the headlight with the flare. And then we'll hold that, drill them holes, and see how it does. I'm going to remove them. This will be the third product from Team MSC and Trail Armor that is on it. Of course, we're running the skid plate, and I have beat the mess out of it in Tennessee. And first thing we did was get some Trail Armor Team MSC doors there. They made a huge difference, and they seal up nice. So I am a fan of their product. Wide body kit. All right, so we got those two 5mm back in. This is where you start to do the forming on your own. So you want to take your time, make sure it's right where you want it. Let go, hold this. punch your holes, then get your push pins. So now that you got that locked down, you can really finesse up here in the front. Make sure you got it where you want it, because you don't want it looking halfway installed. So we'll hold it right here. And I'm going to drill this front hole first because that's an important hole. And we'll get the fender set. All right. So fender is on. Looks good. It'll definitely do its job. And what I've thought about doing, if I like these fenders, but maybe they're a little bit much, is I'll probably come in here and make me a line. And then I can design whatever I want them to look like I did with the skid plate. If you haven't seen that video, I'll try to link it at the end, where we put these tree kickers on and trim the Team MSC skid plate to fit. All right, so you get that on there where you want it. And then you come in here. Drill your last 2 holes. And the good part is, if you decide to take them off, you just put the push pins back in the holes and you won't really notice that you had to drill some holes there. So super easy to install. It's on there. We'll see how well they hold up and how well they perform to what I put this machine through. So we got the front one on. Let's get a front shot. So we got the front one on, and you'll just mirror the same install on. You'll just mirror the same install to the. Now the rear is a whole lot easier. So there's 3 5mm bolts under here. You'll just take them out, hold your flare up, put the middle one in, get it started, screw in your other 2, snug them up. So really simple, really easy. I like how they did that. You don't have to drill any holes. I'm going to match the other side, and it's the exact same, 2 bolts, drill 2 holes, drill 3 holes, 3 bolts. So depending on where you're riding or what you're doing, maybe the weekend before, you'll be able to just snatch these off or throw them on or whatever. They're not like they're not like super permanent to your machine. Or I feel like they would rip off easy and you'll be able to fix them that way. And on the fronts, I'm really eyeing how to trim them down just a little bit and make them unique to this machine. But the rears are good. They really cover the tire. Like I said, you could always come in here if you didn't want a full flare and just cut whatever you needed off. So we'll see how they do in short course racing. That's where we're headed in just a few days. So this machine is pretty much dialed. We got to dial the suspension, change the tires, but it's going in the trailer today. And then we will be headed over to the Big Print Company to pick up the Ranger Danger 9000 build and get it finished, because I have a clock just ticking behind me. We have so much to do to that that truck. Suspension, mount the seat fully, mount the steering column, wiring, change the oil, and check everything over and make sure it's going to be able to perform. And that is only 20 days away from today. So definitely got a lot to do, and I'm going to be in a lot of places before then. So take a good look at how clean we got the shop behind us. Got my banner up because once the truck's back, I know it is going to be a wreck in here again. So stay tuned. 2026 is going to be awesome, and we got a lot of things coming, a lot of different things that I've never done, like short course racing. I'm going to try to run a 6-race series at Durhamtown, so definitely come out and ride with us at Durhamtown. I've got to figure out how to haul both units in my enclosed trailer because the UT10 needs to be able to go with us, and we need to just chop the cage on it, I guess, and figure that out. So definitely like, subscribe, follow along because it's going to be an awesome year. And I got some really big plans in the works, and we'll see what we can do and where we can go in 2026. Appreciate y'all. I'll have the link for these flares, teammscparts.com, down below, and everything you can get near about it on this machine from teammscparts.com. Of course, except for the window net and the real racing stuff that I had to have. So check them out. Come ride with us. Appreciate the support.